Hello guys, so today I'm with Mr. Prashant Nyati, who is a credit rating advisor and a financial consultant. It's been 9 years since he's working in this industry. He was formerly associated with Care Rating Limited, and it is one of India's largest credit rating agencies. So today we'll be talking about economic package and what will be the relations between India, US, and China, and the Atmanirbhar, which our Prime Minister has announced, and what will be the job scenario in future, how industries and banks will operate, and more. And obviously, your questions which you have asked will be answered by him. I have combined all my questions with your questions, so I hope your questions will be answered. So thank you, Mr. Prashant, for joining us, for joining
Thank you,
NetBuzz.
Aditi, for having me.
So I have divided this whole thing into two scenarios.
Okay.
So first we'll be talking about this Atmanirbhar thing. So the Prime Minister has announced that India should be Atmanirbhar. So is it possible, and what does it mean? Can India be Atmanirbhar?
This basic funda or term, Atmanirbhar, given by Modi ji in the last interview, or vocal for local, it's been coined a couple of times in past few years, whether Swadeshi India or Make in India. And the term, we can say this time it is new because the idea was when India was not making a single PPE kit in the history of India, and now we are making, I think, second highest. We are the second highest producer of PPE kit in the world. So that's why maybe Shad, the idea is focusing towards that point, that we should more focus on this Atmanirbhar Abhiyan, which is given by Modi ji. But Atmanirbharta aayegi kaise? It should not only come from the policy making or from the government side. It should also come from the normal populace, that they should more idolize or focus on the domestic products. Now, if we, as I recently mentioned again, that 0 to 2 lakh PPE kit per day we are making now. Government policies basically based on 4 parameters, which is laws, liquidity, labor, and land. So laws means reform in the laws to promote entrepreneurship in the industry, liquidity to provide business with near-term funds and liquidity support for the stressed situation and sustained growth going forward. Labor in form of enabling the workforce in such a way that it should focus on capacity building and productivity improvements. And last is land, which is providing the sustainable agriculture and infrastructure reform. Overall, this is the policy making which will come from the government side. But हम उसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं? So as a normal populace, हमको वो ध्यान देना होगा कि it should come from within, that we should more and more go with the domestic products. Then only it will come. And if we say कि अगर ये 5 साल में आ जाएगा, तो I doubt it's not possible, because infrastructure जो चाहिए उस चीज के लिए, yet we are developing nation, तो उसमें टाइम लगेगा. But yes, gradually there should be somewhere we have to start. और आज करेंगे तो शायद आगे जाके हम उस पे cover up कर पाएंगे.
But do you think Indians are ready to give upon these foreign products, especially the Chinese products?
Okay, so let me ask you this question. Whatever brand or phone you are using, or whatever products you use as a normal healthcare products, are you ready to give up on those branded products, or let's say branded clothing, accessories, everything?
No.
No. Yeah.
Not at this level, for sure.
Yeah. So that's the problem. हम हमेशा क्वेश्चन करते हैं गवर्नमेंट को कि why India is not there, और हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते, हम हमेशा कर सकते हैं. तो फॉर आर्ग्यूमेंट और फॉर द सेक ऑफ डिस्कशन अच्छी बात है, करना चाहिए, पर गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी बना भी देगा, अल्टीमेटली इफ द कंजम्पशन पैटर्न इज नॉट देयर, इफ द डिमांड इज नॉट देयर, देन हाउ इट विल कम. सो एज अ, जैसा मैंने पहले आपके प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में कहा था, एज अ कॉमन पॉपुलेस हमको प्रमोट करना होगा, हमको हमारा बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट और बेसिक माइंडसेट चेंज करना होगा कि यस, इंडियन प्रोडक्ट्स कैन बी गुड. They are good, no doubt. Some products are good. We are already ahead in terms of technology, medical science, tourism is good. But yes, our idea is always to go with the Apple or maybe other branded products. In terms of phone, at least I would say. Talking about myself only, so I am again fond of a particular brand of mobile. It's not easy to give up, not just because the functionality it has or the brand value it has, but the kind of society we live in, or let's say the kind of circle I belong to, I have to maintain a certain level of standard. And maybe if I carry a Lava or Micromax, I am not sure if Micromax is an Indian brand, Lava is there. If I carry those brands, maybe I'll feel little behind among my peers. So yeah, it has to come from within. आपसे भी, मुझसे भी, as a normal common population. Yes.
But even if consumers are ready to consume Indian products, do you think Indian companies can make these kind of competitive products? They can match that standard?
Somewhere we'll have to start. I am not saying from the day one it will come. कहीं ना कहीं स्टार्ट करना होगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि जो फर्स्ट बाइक इंडिया ने बनाया था डाउन द लाइन कुछ 50 years पहले या 100 years पहले, whatever the timeline is, it was the best. But there are bikes which are being manufactured in India and being used by popular. They are popular bikes. Again, हमारा रॉयल एनफील्ड के लिए या हार्ले डेविडसन के लिए जो एक स्टैंडर्ड सेट है वो है, बट इंडिया में है कैपेबिलिटीज. विल हैव टू गिव टाइम. अगेन, दोनों चीजों का इक्वल इंपॉर्टेंस रहेगा. द पॉलिसी मेकिंग फ्रॉम द टॉप and support from common populace as a whole. So somewhere we'll have to match it, and gradually it will come. 5 साल में या 10 साल में, 10 साल is a long period. In 5 years it will not come.
How industries will operate in future? What will be the job scenario in future?
In this particular year, I see it under tremendous pressure. I spoke to many of my clients, and we have a number of discussions with various sector specific clients, wherein the pattern is there. Either they are going with pay cut, salary cut is there, so they are either paying 30% salary with 30% cut, or they are sending their employees for a compulsory holiday for a period of, let's say, 6 months or 7 months, and then until the situation clears, so uske baad mein they can rejoin. So the problem is revenue inflow is not there with the company. रेवेन्यू इनफ्लो क्यों नहीं है? बिकॉज फैक्ट्रीज आर नॉट ऑपरेटिंग, डिमांड इज नॉट देयर. आप थिएटर में जा नहीं रहे हो, आप रेस्टोरेंट में जा नहीं रहे हो. एट दिस मोमेंट ऑफ टाइम, बाइंग अ न्यू सेट ऑफ क्लोथ्स और न्यू बाइक और न्यू कार इज नॉट योर प्रायोरिटी. इट्स द टाइम ऑफ सर्वाइवल. सो स्टार्टिंग के 1 month हम लोगों ने इसको एज अ हॉलीडे ट्रीट कर लिया. एंड आई एम टॉकिंग ब्लंटली, यस, वी टुक इट एज अ हॉलीडे इन द स्टार्टिंग 1 month. We posted on social media whatever we cooked or whatever dishes were there. But जब धीरे धीरे रियलिटी सामने आ रहा है, how much cushion you have to survive in 2 months, 3 months. I'm not talking about the labor class people. They are badly hit. I mean, we are in a privileged position. We have no idea. We just watch the news and we see whatever happening and we make our assumption. They are badly hit. उनका तो employment गया है, because infrastructure activities not there. Infrastructure activities not there. Though it is gradually coming up again. In green zone they have started, in orange zone they have started, and they are demarketing the area-wise working strategy. जैसा जैसा अभी pan out हो रहा है situation. So yes, gradually it will come out of it, but as of now it is under tremendous pressure. And this year all the companies are either going to show less profitability, or maybe under losses. Some which are under healthcare products or under essential commodities, they are doing good because the demand is there. But retail segment, आप बोल लीजिए, रेस्टोरेंट हो गया, होटल हो गया, मॉल्स हो गए, लेविश प्रोडक्ट्स हो गए, जो आपकी डे टू डे रेगुलर लाइफ को इतना इम्पैक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, और इन लास्ट 3 months यू हैव स्टार्टेड लिविंग विद इट. अभी आप अगर 3 महीने थिएटर नहीं जाएंगे तो आपको चलेगा. इट हैज बिकम अ पार्ट. एंड अगेन इट विल कम फ्रॉम 2 things. एक तो आपका हैबिट चेंज हुआ है, दूसरा इट विल कम आउट ऑफ फियर. अनलेस द वैक्सीन इज डिस्कवर्ड, I don't see those particular sectors are going up, and I don't know how they'll survive. So yeah, let's see how it pans out.
So how much time will these industries take to recover?
Again, a subjective question. It's not about the industry itself, it's about company to company basic. किसके पास कितना कुशन है, कौन कितने मार्जिन पे काम कर रहा है, कौन कितने टाइम से ऑपरेशनल है. कैसा होता है कि अगर कोई इंडस्ट्री बहुत टाइम से ऑपरेशनल है तो they have reached a certain level where their BEP, which is break even point, is different as compared to the new industry which has started in the last 1 year or 2 years. because they have many overheads to cover up. आपका एम्प्लॉय कॉस्ट कैसा है, आपका रॉ मटेरियल प्रोक्योरमेंट कैसा है, व्हाट इज योर वर्किंग कैपिटल साइकिल. So there are many things which affects your profitability. So industry wise आप बात करोगे तो those particular segments, I mean retail and all this restaurant business and all, they are going to be under tremendous pressure. But the other industries which were under lockdown in the past 2 or 3 months, they have started working. So in many areas where government have given the permission where you can operate at a 50% capacity, or let's say a social distancing norm आप follow करते हुए किसी को आप operate कर सकते हो, वहाँ पे they are doing it gradually. So अभी next 3 to 6 months it will time to cover up. वो कैसे जो पुराना लॉस हुआ है इसको कवर अप करेंगे, बिकॉज फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट वर ऑलरेडी देयर. आपका रेवेन्यू इनफ्लो था नहीं, आपको वो कवर अप करना था. इंटरेस्ट सबमेंशन और लेट्स से इंटरेस्ट मॉरिटोरियम और जो भी गवर्नमेंट ने पॉलिसी दिया था वो ऑलरेडी उन्होंने एक्सटेंड किया है टिल अगस्त. तो 3 महीने के लिए मॉरिटोरियम दिया था, वो अभी 6 मंथ तक हो गया है. बट दिस फुल ईयर आई सी इट इज अ रिकवरिंग पीरियड. आफ्टर दैट मे बी शायद सिचुएशन विल इम्प्रूव.
3 countries are there who are making a lot of highlights: India, US, and China.
Right.
And people are saying that US and China are entering into a new Cold War. So if this will be the situation, then what impact this will have on India?
Okay. So first we need to understand dynamics. Again, I am not expert on the foreign policies or the trade war situation, but what I have read a little and understand, China and US trade war was already there even before COVID-19 situation.
Yes.
For a long time, China is trying to impose their currency against dollar, and they want to have a dominated position in the global market. They want to have their currency as compared to this dollar. For against that, China, if you are aware with this term, China has already penetrated in many countries which are developing or underdeveloped and set up their base in terms of infrastructure, in terms of free food, in terms of I would say एक आदत लगा दिया है habitual products का. And now they are trying to lead those countries as their backup. China US trade war is already there. Now उधर क्या हो रहा है कि दोनों कंट्रीज ने, अमेरिका और चाइना ने ह्यूज इंपोर्ट टैरिफ लगा दिया है ऑन द इंपोर्टेड प्रोडक्ट्स. तो उसका एक बेनिफिट इंडिया को सर्टेन एक्सटेंट मिल सकता है कि यस, द प्राइम the shift on the imported products will be towards India. US will focus India, or the other countries who are importing from China because of low cost products or because of their economy of scale, India will be the preferred supplier. But to what extent, that's the question. Are our infrastructure capacities there?
Yes.
Is it there? Can we supply to a global level to that extent जहाँ पे चाइना कर रहा था? Because जो हमारा already demand supply gap था वो तो हम कर ही रहे हैं. Are we ready for this additional thing? तो this is yet to see. कैसा पैन आउट होता है. हाँ, इंडिया के लिए opportunities हैं जहाँ पे if we talk about the Indian companies who were procuring from China because of the low cost situation. So I spoke to many of my clients who are into automobile segment or textile segment, जो चाइना से रॉ मटेरियल प्रोक्योर करते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ लो कॉस्ट, एंड इट अल्टीमेटली रिजल्ट्स इन द बेटर प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी मार्जिन. बट द ओवरऑल सेंटिमेंट्स टुवर्ड चाइना, इफ वी स्पीक टू एनी ऑफ माय क्लाइंट हु आर डीलिंग, दे आर नॉट क्लियर हाउ इट विल पैन आउट. बिकॉज अगर नेशनल पॉलिसी ऐसा कुछ आ जाता है जहां पे देयर विल बी रेस्ट्रिक्शंस टुवर्ड चाइना, तो it will impact. Else, as a company, you'll go with your profitability. You are least bothered about कि COVID कहाँ से start हुआ था or how's the overall perception of world is against China. You are least bothered. You'll go with your profitability figure. If there is no restriction, you will see you are getting a raw material at a lower price. You'll go with China. So let's see. And more than trade war, it has become a political war where Trump is quite outspoken about China or against China in the past couple of months. He has called COVID or coronavirus is a Chinese virus, and United Nations is there, WHO is involved. So it's not a very easy thing to understand. There are many factors involved.
And a lot of companies are shifting their bases from China. So I think, I mean, do you think India will be benefited from this?
Yes, if the shift is completely there, when I say completely there, I means the production activities started. Then only you will start generating revenue and it start benefiting the Indian economy. But अगर आप बात I read about a shoe brand or a clothing brand which is shifting their base from China to India, and it's a very well known brand. I just forget the name. In the horizon of 6 months to 1 year, it's not gonna benefit. हमारा जो situation under pressure अभी है, इस वजह से उसको कोई impact नहीं आने वाला है. हमको इससे बाहर आना होगा. Once they shift their base, the infrastructure setup and the production commencement will take their own sweet time. एक बार वो start होता है, then yes, it will definitely result in the employment, better. I would say it will lead an example in terms of other countries where if some companies are shifting their base because of the fear with China, so yes, दूसरी companies भी आएगी. But in next 1 year, I won't see that happening. Even if the decisions are being made, the production cycle will take on its sweet time. Infrastructure setup, permissions. So yeah, this is it. Right.
Now we'll be talking about the economic package.
Okay.
So if you would like to rate this package, 20 lakh crore package,
Okay.
how much will you give out of 10?
Okay, a good question. First, I will not rate the package on many parameters. I'll not rate it because there are many things which is yet to clear. Announcement of a package or given it in 4 PDF files or disclosed it in 4 different working days, it's there. Okay, good. सुनने के लिए अच्छा है. How it will be implemented, that is yet to see. If we see the package, it is designed in such a way that around half of the package is targeted towards medium to, I would say, 6 to 12 month horizon to how the economy will come out of this stress situation. If we see 30% measures out of total package, it is directed towards the long-term problems, or I would say the long-term in nature. And the remaining portion is towards the immediate response towards the migrant laborers, Kisan, MSMEs, how it will be impacted. So, though some good I would say points are there, the policies broadly includes, I mean, Manrega allocation is there, free food supply to migrant is there, special trade facilities given to vendors, Kisan credit card is there, MSMEs के लिए बहुत कुछ किया है. In terms of policy announcement तो किया है. Let's say how it pans out, bankers का attitude कैसा रहता है उसके against. That is yet to see how it will get implemented in the near term. So yeah, but what is a welcoming step is the moratorium. As a credit rating professional, I would say yes, it is helping many of my clients. Collateral free loans, it is there, but I don't know.
But eventually, there will be a loan, right? There will be pressure to repay those loans.
Yes.
So is it better? I mean,
so
why to go?
See, there are two things. One is wave off. I think you are focusing on wave off public. It's not a feasible argument at all. अगर आप 20 lakh crore divide by 135 crore of population करते हो, तो the figure is 14,000 or 15,000, I think, is the per person. Roughly translates to 15,000 से एक बंदे का क्या होगा इस कंट्री में? It's not gonna help. Okay, आपने 15,000 per person दे भी दिया. Will it solve the economic crisis? Will it solve the demand situation? Will it change the customer perception? No. वो 15,000 जैसे आपका खत्म होता है, प्रॉब्लम फिर से परसिस्ट हो जाएगा. So how to target those problems? That should be the aim of the government, और government वो कर रहा है.
In this whole scenario, how credit rating agencies and banks play a major role?
Okay, so
And someone asked कि credit rating agencies जो हैं वो सिर्फ figures में ही काम करती है. They are literally unbiased.
yes, as a representative of this rating agency fraternity, I would say they are unbiased, and I believe it. I believe it. See, rating agencies सिर्फ आपके figures को देख के आपको rating नहीं देती. I mean, it's a very vague perception about rating agencies, where they see the numbers in a rating. Any rating is assigned based on the industry in which you belong to, the financials, the financial performance of your company, the projected growth, the promoter's experience, and the overall macroeconomics parameters, जिसके basis पे rating agency assess financial risk profile where any particular company have sufficient cushion to repay its obligation in near to medium term. The call is always near to medium term. Rating calls are not for long term. First thing, rating agency का जो behavior अभी है, yes, they have become very cautious. दो reason. We all know rating agencies जब भी किसी कंपनी का rating करता है तो there are certain parameters. आपका लोन साइज या आपका बोरोइंग साइज एक पर्टिकुलर लेवल पे होना चाहिए. 10 करोड़ और 5 करोड़ एक पैरामीटर है, उसके बाद ही आपको रेटिंग का रिक्वायरमेंट है. नाउ वी नो व्हेन एनी कंपनी सर्विस और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हैविंग सच काइंड ऑफ बोरोइंग, they have to generate revenue on regular basis, because then only they can repay their obligations, and that translates into the solvency position. That's how they calculate the solvency position. In the last 3 months, the companies are not working, the factories are shut, so they are taking a cautious call whether to upgrade a case or not. So yes, they are not upgrading new cases, or let's say they are not upgrading ratings of existing cases. They are taking cautious call. Next 1 year, I see, or by the end of FY21, I'm not seeing upgrade in any cases. So yes, they'll continue to be cautious, and they should do it. In terms of banks, I have yet to see any new sanctions, because yes, we are working on 2-3 projects wherein the applications are there. But yes, because of this COVID situation, any new sanction always comprises of many things. Site visit is there, documentation is there, management calls are there, your property valuation is there. So those all things are taking time in terms of banking scenario, and which yet to see. So I'm still looking for some of my clients wherein we get the sanction and how it pans out. What's the banker's perception? So if the central bank or the RBI has given them certain guidelines, they'll have to follow. But on an individual bank balance sheet size or individual banks parameters, how they go for it is yet to see. Very early to comment on that.
What government should have added to this economic package?
See, pinpoint, I'm not the expert on the policy making, so I'll refrain to comment on that. But yeah, one thing which is coming from many companies or from my clients, they are looking for restructuring packages. तो restructuring में क्या होता है, आपके जो loans होते हैं या जहाँ पे आपका problems है, जहाँ पे आपको issue आ रहा है सर्विस करने में, तो not just in terms of short term cushion of moratorium, but the restructuring of the actual repayment cycle. So yes, they are asking for it, but again, it's not that easy to assign for all the companies, because it will take a big toll on banking. So yeah, that's the point of discussion, which is there in the banking domain or among the industries. So restructuring is the talk, is the point of discussion everywhere. But I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much, Prashant, for talking to NetBuzz. It was really nice, and I hope the questions that people have asked, our community members have asked, I hope they got answers. So thank you so much, and I hope कि हम इस pandemic से बहुत जल्दी recover और जितनी भी industries है वो जल्दी
Right.
operate करना start कर दे, and soon this whole supply demand thing can revive.
Thank you, Aditi. Let's hope for that. Even I'm hoping for it. So yes, to your audience base, stay home, stay safe, and take care. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you